How to connect the Galaxy Buds Pro Samsung earbuds with a Windows 11 computer desktop or laptop. Let's get started. Before doing anything else, make sure these are not already connected to a phone that you previously connected them to, because that will cause a conflict and preventing you from connecting it to your Windows computer. So go ahead and disconnect it, unpair it from that device. And now let's go over to our Windows computer here. The first thing you want to do, being it's your first time setting it up, go to the startup menu here and go to settings. Once in the settings section, you'll see the part here on the left side, Bluetooth and devices. Click on that one time, these set of options will show up for you, and you want to now go to the part that says Bluetooth. So if it's off, go ahead and turn it on, and it will become discoverable to nearby devices. And if it's not there, this Bluetooth option here, check your device manager settings. Maybe the Bluetooth adapter just needs to be enabled or perhaps updated. So with that said and done, the next step is we're going to where it says add a device right here, add device. We'll click on that one time and we're selecting this option here, Bluetooth. When you do this, it's basically having the computer search for nearby Bluetooth devices. And once again, while it's doing this here, because you have your earbuds ready and fully charged, assuming you did that already, you'll now go ahead and open it up like this here, and you'll see the green light. And if you pay attention to the bottom, there is a swift pair option, okay? Now, I would not use this because sometimes it does cause a conflict. So what you're gonna do instead of using that option, just pay attention to right here, make sure it shows up as Galaxy Buds Pro, and you'll click on that. It's gonna say connecting, it's gonna say device is ready to go. You can click done. You'll see that that's your current device that's connected, okay? Now to get this thing to work as your output audio device, if you go to the bottom area of your computer where the volume panel here is, you'll click on that. You'll see the slider here for the volume icon. Click on this arrow right here, and you'll notice you have two options. You got the speakers and the headphones. So make sure it's the one that's set as headphones so that the audio could come out your Galaxy Buds Pro. If that option is not there, or for some odd reason you don't have access to the volume panel here, you can always come back here to the top section where the left menu here is right there. Click on that where it says system, click on system, then go to sound. And when you click on sound, you'll see the output settings where you can choose headphones, which is the Galaxy Buds Pro. Make sure it's the Galaxy Buds Pro as your output. And if you decide to use this as a mic, go down a little bit until you see the input section here, and you'll see the headset again as Galaxy Buds Pro for the mic to work, okay? And that's that for this tutorial here. Like, sub, and thanks for watching.